Okay, so what we're trying to do here is prove the side ratios of a 30, 60, 90 special right triangle by using an equilateral triangle that we have right here. So basically, we know that a 30, 60, 90 triangle should have ratios of x to x root 3 to 2x, or another way to say it is just x over 2, half of x, x root 3 over 2 to x. So that's just another way you could say it. So basically that is what we were trying to prove. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to split my equilateral triangle right down the middle in half. So we know that an equilateral triangle, all the angles are 60. So we know since these angles are untouched, they should still be 60 degrees. And then since this angle was originally 60 but is now split in half, that will be 30 degrees. And then these are our right triangle or our right angles. So those are 90 degrees. So we can tell right here that the side ratio that corresponds with the 90 degrees, it's already shown, is x, which lines up with our predicted ratio so far. So we've proved one. And now we can see that since this side right here was split straight down the middle and it was originally half, that now makes it x over 2, or half of x. And so that then proves that the side ratio of 30-degree angle would be x over 2, half of x. So now the last thing that we have to prove is this side right here, that the side ratio of a 60-degree angle would be x times square root of 3 over 2. And so the way that I'm going to prove that is by turning this into a Pythagorean theorem problem. So first I'm just going to call this side right here a squared plus x over 2 squared equals x squared. So now we're going to simplify a squared plus x squared over 4 equals x squared, or another way to write it that makes this a little easier is 4x squared over 4, just so you have the same denominator. And then we're going to subtract x squared over 4 from both sides. So we've done that, and then we're left with a squared equals 3x squared over 2, and so now, over 4. And so now what we have to do is we're going to square root that. So we end up with a equals x square root 3 over 2. So that right there proves that the side ratio of the 60-degree angle in a 30, 60, 90 special right triangle is x root 3 over 2, or just x root 3. So that is how you prove the side ratios of a 30, 60, 90 special right triangle using an equilateral triangle.